So I don't know if it's super worth it to go through the hassle of taking everything apart, just because you only gain about 2.5 cents. So unlike the bigger hard drive, I think it ended up being a crazy amount when you split everything up, because the platters were heavy. It was a lot more of aluminum. There was just a lot more in them. These laptop ones, there was barely any weight internally, for example, platters and everything. So I would say, compared to the bigger hard drives, the 325s, I would just remove the board from these and send in the hard drives and the board separately, because you get 30.5 cents doing it that way. Going through the hassle of unscrewing everything, and like you see the platter just shattered just trying to remove it, so you can get cut with that. So I just don't see it being worth it to take the next step just to get about 3 cents. Even if you get 10 cents for the magnets, I just don't find it's worth it. Compared to the other bigger hard drives, we were at 80 cents. Then we removed the board, and it went up to about $1.10, I think. And then once we removed everything, it jumped to almost like $4 or something, from what I remember. So in the case of laptop / PS3 hard drives, take the board out, sell the board and the hard drive separately. You'll maximize profit and won't waste as much time, because the extra unscrewing and everything ends up getting you 2.5 cents, compared to, again, like I said, the bigger hard drives where you get a big jump of like $2-3. So just to give you an idea, I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these. So we're talking about, let's say 5, 6, including this one. Actually, we'll take this one apart. So we'll leave it apart. See, this one almost gives us £1, so we'll go with this. So right here, selling these hard drives as is, we'd get about 50 cents. Because we have £1 here. So right away, that kind of sucks. So we remove the board, we instantly triple, we get $1.50 for all of them. And if you want to go through the steps of unscrewing it, you'll get, what did we say? We said it was 33 cents. So we'd go from $1.50 right now, we'd go to $1.65 approximately. You can also try selling these on eBay, as a lot of broken whatever people buy them for the boards, but like I said, I really doubt you'll get much, just because these are smaller size drives. They're 160 and under. From what I noticed, people who sell the boards or fix them or whatever, they usually want 320 or higher. So you can always try on eBay, but I'd guess you'd get, after shipping and fees and all the other stuff, probably wouldn't get, you'd get very similar to what you'd be getting just taking out the board and selling the drive apart. So that's about it for this video. Like, subscribe, comment if you're up for it. If you have any suggestions on what you want me to scrap next, I can always look for stuff, see if I can find the item and do a video on it.